Please subscribe to motivate us. Monetizing your blog or website is not as easy as it may look, but it is not as hard as people say. If you have a good benchmark of website traffic, follow these 7 below mentioned ideas to monetize your website, with little luck and more hard work. Number 1. Participate in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the quickest ways to monetize your blog. Look for a product or service that suits your genre and then insert an affiliate link in your blog post while mentioning them. The affiliate links allow your visitors to land on a third-party domain and grants you commission on the basis of purchase done by the visitor. The commission percentage varies from 10 to 70% depending upon the price of the product. Number 2. Start selling ebooks. Create a stunning ebook once or twice a month and then sell that. Stuff it with all your new content, straightforward graphics, upcoming products and recent launches. Add a download link to that and count a price for every download. As ebooks neither need publishing or distribution, this is a low-cost way to monetize your blog. Only you need is to make the ebook unputdownable. Number 3. Do sponsored posts. Another familiar way of monetizing your blog is by doing sponsored posts. Say there is an XYZ company with a common genre as of yours. Now, they will love to put your words with a product description or review, thus attracting more buyers to it. You can reach out to such companies directly, or it may happen that they may contact you for the products or services. Number 4. Selling your ad space directly. Take the help of Google AdSense and some other dedicated small portion of your website for advertisements, of course for a price. There are many companies that look for blogs to sponsor their products and services. Selling ad space doesn't involve the third-party handles, thus bringing in the whole advertisement worth to your pocket. Number 5. Accept guest posts, paid. With a high volume of monthly traffic to your website, other bloggers and startups will be interested to showcase their skills on your platform. Fix a price for accepting guest posts that will solely depend upon the number of words. This hack will both fetch you some bucks while improving your content matter. Number 6. Ask for donations, however small it may be. This tip may look like a bit arwy, but it actually works. See if you are having 3 to 4 dedicated spaces for advertisements and still putting up a donate button to your web, it is not at all sensible. So, if you don't have thousands of monthly visitors but have a supporting and strong community of customers, you can always tuck in a donate button on your web. Let your website look more transparent with your products and services and you win the game. Number 7. Start an e-commerce site. This last tip is much tedious and needs some heavy research work. It implies setting up an online store on your blog, attracting your visitors towards it and then getting paid for every purchase. Make a survey of your competitors' web and find that extra hue to add it to yours. It may be your own brand of merchandise, online courses and consultation services. Nevertheless, this process may seem easier than the others with instant payment while purchasing, but it has its own glitches like shipment, return or an exchange in case of merchandise. While other mentioned services do not need a third-party handling, it demands ample time, attractive designs and proper setup. Thanks for watching video, subscribe if you liked.